Hi everybody, Dr. Katie, the natural pet doctor. It's Wednesday evening. You're halfway through the week. We're not that far away from the weekend. So I am currently working right now because I'm creating some treatment plans for some new clients. And I'm noticing a theme popping up, and it's interesting because I just wrote a blog post on how to support your pet's immune system. You definitely need to check it out because there's some really good content in there and there's some good resources and supplements. But what I find over and over again with a lot of clients is the theme of, okay, how do we support our pet's immune system? There is a ton of stuff you can do, everywhere from just nutrition to supplements to medicine. Or is the medicine harming your pet's immune system? So there's a lot of things that we look at when we're looking at a pet's immune system. But the thing I want to focus on tonight is mushrooms. Yes, mushrooms, not the ones that get you high or make you delusional, but medicinal mushrooms because they're so powerful. And so the biggest thing I want people to think about is, okay, when you find information online, because that's where we all go to first usually, what do you find? You're going to find the things that are the most researched usually. They pop up in Google. But do we always find the best things? No, we don't. So what I'm finding lately is I'm so happy that so many clients are adding in mushrooms. But what they're doing is they're going straight to turkey tail. So turkey tail is one species of mushroom, and it's got a lot of really powerful things to it. But what's happening is we're using this individual species of mushroom, and we're missing out on all of the other amazing mushrooms that are out there that can help your pets. And so because turkey tail is like in the spotlight, there's all this research for hemangiosarcomas. So those are tumors on the spleen, and turkey tail can help tremendously with helping to decrease the reoccurrence, slow down the growth of hemangiosarcomas, but we're actually missing out on the benefit of the synergistic effect of using multiple strains or different species of mushrooms. So what does that mean? Using reishi, maitake, your shiitake, even button mushrooms. Button mushrooms are like what we usually get from the store. They actually have medicinal properties. They help our immune system. And so when we use one mushroom, we're missing out on all those other amazing health benefits. Same for us, same for our pets. So what can we do? Because I know when I use a supplement, I want to get the most bang for my buck, and especially for treating cancer and not necessarily just hemangiosarcoma. So for instance, I have a lymphoma patient that I was talking to earlier, and I'm so proud of them for starting to use turkey tail, but we're actually missing out on the benefits of other mushroom products. Like, so the reishi, that's going to help with the immune system. Shiitake is going to help with the immune system. And maitake is another one. There's all sorts of mushrooms out there. You want to use a mushroom for your cognitive dysfunction. Lion's mane is really great for helping with that. So when we combine different mushroom species, we get a synergistic effect. And that means that we're combining those powers of those different mushrooms to achieve a better outcome for our patients or for ourselves, whatever we're using it for. So same for us, same for our pets. And so that's something to think about. That's something that I talk about in my blog post. So check that out because there is an amazing product. I love RX Vitamin. They are a great product. You can get them through they're all over the place. You can get them through me. You can get them through Amazon. You can get them through Chewy's. They're all over the place. So RX Vitamins, their products are amazing, and they have a product called Coriolis Forte, where they have multiple species of mushrooms in one product. They also have astragalus and they have licorice root. And those are great adaptogens, and they all combine together to have this synergistic effect on the immune system to boost the immune system. When we boost the immune system, there is less disease. Pets are going to thrive. We're going to see reduced rates of disease and cancer. Doesn't mean that your pet won't get cancer, but we want to do as much as we can to reduce cancer, right? That is so important. And so check out RX Vitamins Coriolis Forte. I actually have a special going on right now in my storefront for a package, because those medicinal mushrooms are huge. Even if your pet is healthy, it helps support their immune system, so it stays that way. Curcumin is another product that is really good for the immune system. It reduces inflammation, and it also helps reduce, or it has an anti-cancer effect. So if your pet is dealing with cancer, curcumin is great. Now, what is curcumin? Does anyone know? So, turmeric. So that yellow herb that stains absolutely everything when you're cooking with it. So Indian food, and it's tasty, but you have to use a ton of it when you're using the actual herb that you cook with. And when you use a lot of that, it is not tasty, like a ton of it, like the amount that you need for it to be medicinal, not just benefiting the taste and the flavor of the food you're cooking with. So that is a big difference. A lot of people don't realize how much of that powder, that orange powder, you have to use. Keep in mind also, when you're using that powder and you're putting it in your pet's food, believe me, I know this because it's happened to me, but that turmeric powder stains everything. So Finn, my dog, like, we use capsules, and he's broken open those capsules before. It doesn't come out. Like, the stain potential of the turmeric is astronomical. So ideally use the capsules. Yes, they can still like bite into it unless you're pilling them directly, but you're going to get a concentrated form of it. Also, it's absorbed better with your fats, your oils. So that's why you'll see like recipes that recommend using coconut oil with it, your turmeric balm. But there's companies out there like RX Vitamins who have taken that, and RX Curcumin is an amazing product that has taken the different types of curcumin, because there are different plant products making them more effective, and they're 56 times more effective than just like sprinkling turmeric powder on your dog's food. So, does your dog have arthritis? Does your dog have any form of type of cancer? Curcumin is definitely going to help them. Any inflammatory process, do they have Cushing's? Do they have diabetes? Do they have any disease? Any disease is going to be a sign of inflammation in the body. So those two products right there are going to help support their immune system. That is the whole goal. We need to boost the immune system health. We need to reduce inflammation and support the body for your pet to get over that disease and achieve optimal health. So those are really two really amazing products. We have a bundle, so make sure you check out my blog post, because there's other products that I mentioned that you can shop anywhere, of course, because you don't have to get it through me. I just want your pet to be healthy. I want your pet to live a long, healthy life, because they provide so much love to us. They're part of our family. So that is the goal for everything. What can we do to support them, to keep them with you for as long as possible? So make sure you check out that blog post and let me know what you want to see featured in future blog posts. Because remember, I do this for you guys. And if I'm writing about something and it's not benefiting anyone, I'm just wasting my time. I'm wasting your time. So let me know what works best for you guys, and I'll put it up. All right, have a great evening. Thanks.